In Laravel, getters and setters play a vital role in encapsulating data access and manipulation logic within model classes. These methods allow you to control how attributes are retrieved and set, providing a flexible and maintainable approach to working with your application's data. In this article, we'll delve into the concept of getters and setters in Laravel, explore how they can be used effectively, and discuss best practices for implementing them in your applications. Understanding getters and setters. Getters and setters are methods used to retrieve and set the values of object properties respectively. In Laravel's context, they are commonly used within eloquent model classes to encapsulate attribute access and manipulation logic. Getters are used to retrieve attribute values, while setters are used to modify attribute values before they are stored. Implementing getters and setters in Laravel models. Let's take a look at how getters and setters can be implemented in Laravel models. In the above example, we define a getter for the attribute and a setter for the attribute. The getter modifies the retrieved name value to be in uppercase, while the setter converts the provided email value to lowercase before storing it. Benefits of using getters and setters. Encapsulation. Getters and setters encapsulate attribute access and manipulation logic within the model class, promoting code organization and maintainability. Data consistency. Setters allow you to enforce data consistency by applying validation rules or formatting logic before storing attribute values. Flexibility. Getters and setters provide a flexible mechanism for customizing attribute behavior without modifying external code that interacts with the model. To maximize the effectiveness of getters and setters in your Laravel applications, consider the following best practices. Keep logic concise. Keep the logic within getters and setters concise and focused on attribute manipulation tasks to maintain readability and clarity. Use accessor and mutator naming conventions. Follow Laravel's naming conventions by prefixing getter methods with and setter methods with, followed by the attribute name in camel case. Document attribute behavior. Document the behavior of getters and setters, including any transformations or validations applied to attribute values, to provide clarity for other developers working on the code base. Avoid overuse. Avoid overusing getters and setters for trivial attribute access and manipulation tasks. Reserve their use for cases where custom behavior is required. Getters and setters are powerful tools for encapsulating attribute access and manipulation logic within Laravel models. By implementing getters and setters effectively, you can ensure data consistency, promote code organization, and enhance the maintainability and flexibility of your Laravel applications. Incorporate the best practices discussed in this article to leverage getters and setters efficiently and elevate the quality of your Laravel code base.